Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Litecoin from Arculus Wallet to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Litecoin seamlessly between these wallets, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. Let's dive in and get you transferring in no time. First things first. Make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet and Phantom Wallet apps installed on your device and that you're logged into your accounts. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that your wallets are updated to the 2025 versions to avoid any compatibility issues. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app. Navigate to your Litecoin holdings by selecting the wallet dashboard and choosing Litecoin from your asset list. You'll see your current balance. Take a moment to note how much you want to send. Next, switch over to your Phantom Wallet. Go to the Receive section, select Litecoin, and copy the wallet address. This is crucial, so don't skip this. Paste it somewhere safe like a Notes app to avoid typos. Now, back in Arculus Wallet, hit the Send button for Litecoin. Enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure it's below your available balance. Then, paste the Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field. Before you confirm, review everything. The amount, the address, and any network fees. In 2025, fees might be lower due to improved blockchain tech, but always check. Hit confirm, and you'll be prompted to verify with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once approved, the transaction will be broadcast to the network. Depending on network congestion, it could take a few minutes to an hour to confirm. Once it's done, head back to Phantom Wallet to see your Litecoin arrive. Pro tip. Always keep an eye on transaction status using a blockchain explorer for peace of mind. And there you have it. That's how you send Litecoin from Arculus to Phantom in 2025. If you run into any hiccups, reach out to the wallet support teams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.